In terms of insurance, there's a lot more. I was talking with our insurance vendor recently about this, and he was saying, James, James,
Yeah.
and he was saying that there's a whole bunch of more players in the marketplace now for insurance. There's a lot more providers.
I just saw a news headline yesterday. 2 more carriers have come into the States. So
That's great.
that's
Yeah.
the thing. The more carriers you have, the more competition, the lower
Competition
prices.
creates lower prices.
But I think in regards to the insurance, there's people think, I get phone calls and I'll speak to people, especially from up north, that really aren't familiar with Florida, and they say, oh, well, I hear you can't get insurance on anything. That's absolutely not the case. I mean, unless it's a tear down job, like I went to a listing yesterday, the home next door is from 1960 sea level. It did get flooded during Milton, and they can't redo it. They have to completely tear it down. Now, obviously, that's uninsurable because it's a tear down job. But if you're talking about a new construction home that has impact glass that's in an ex-flood zone,
Exactly.
I mean, your insurance can be very reasonable on that. So everything's insurable.
I think anything that's built after 2003, which was when they had the the high, when that came in, then you're not going to have a problem getting insurance. The one thing with people buying homes is they really need to look at the age of roofs, because that's where these insurance carriers, with the recent storms, it used to be, oh, you had a 20-year-old roof, but it's in good condition, no problem. Now, you get a roof over 15 years old, it's really becoming a problem.
Interestingly, the kind of shot in the dark is the water heater. I mean, they're really cautious now about the age of a water heater, which thankfully is not a crazy amount to replace. I mean, you're talking $1,500.
But it makes sense if you think about it, because from a safety standpoint,
especially in condos.
Exactly.
I mean,
you've got an old water heater. That's a fire hazard waiting to happen there.
And it floods, the floors below you. So, I mean, it's understandable that they're more cautious on that. But, I mean, most homes really that I show are, even older homes, are having all of these systems updated. I mean, they just have to. So, really, it's unusual to find a home that has a roof that's not been replaced at this stage.